हेलो ऑल, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं तन्वी और आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे। जो मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं, जो नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे, प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच माय प्रीवियस वीडियोस एंड इफ़ यू लाइक देम देन डू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड आल्सो लाइक एंड शेयर माय वीडियोस। एंड दोज हु हैव ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, they can like and share, they can continue with liking and sharing my videos, and please watch videos till the end because it takes a lot of efforts to create a video. So I think आपका एक लाइक और एक शेयर जो है वो किसी को इंस्पायर कर सकता है, किसी को मोटिवेट कर सकता है. तो keep me motivated and inspired, and I will be bringing more informative videos for you in the future. So keep on liking and sharing them. So now let's get started. So today's video is on Bioderma
Atodum intensive
balm, as you can see. Yeah, so this is a product that is specially formulated for dry, very dry and atopic skin, sensitive skin. So many ingredients are mentioned over here that are meant for healing the dry skin basically. So in this range I think there are 3-4 products, but I got this balm. There is a cream also, but when I compare the ingredients, the cream has less ingredients than this. So I think this has more ingredients as compared to the cream that can heal your skin faster, and it totally depends upon your skin. If your skin is dry, very dry, then you can try this product, and if your skin is dry to normal skin, then you can go for the cream. So now talking about the packaging, it is a very simple kind of a tube, a white color tube, and a very simple packaging, and it has a plastic cap over it that is quite sturdy, so you can easily carry it while traveling. This product is retailed at 1300 rupees, and you can get it like for 1100 to 1250 depending upon the discount the site is offering, and you can get it on many popular websites, e-commerce websites like Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, etc. I got it from Amazon, I guess, and it costed me around 1200 at that time, so you can check for the discount again. It is made in France. It is imported to India from France. I think that is also one of the reasons that why its price is quite high. Then talking about the claims that this cream makes, actually that what it does. So it is mentioned here in French and English both that it repairs, it restores lipids and anti-itching, and then few lines are given at the back also that it is based on lipigenium technology that restores the lipids. Then it has an anti-itching ingredient that relieves the itching, restricts the entry of bacteria or allergens into your skin that makes skin conditions more worse. So this acts as a protective barrier basically over your skin and repairs your moisture barrier. Supposedly, if your moisture barrier is compromised or damaged, then this cream is going to definitely help you with that. Now talking about the ingredients list is really long, and it has many oils like canola oil, sunflower oil. Then it has many ingredients that are humectants or emollients, and you will find ceramides also in this cream that are really important for maintaining the elasticity of our skin, for keeping our skin nourished and moisturized. Ceramides are really important. Then there is a mineral oil. I know many people refrain from using mineral oil, but whatever I have read about the mineral oil, many dermats and even skin care experts say that mineral oil in its refined form is very safe to use, and the mineral oil that is used in the cosmetic products is in its pure form, and it's very refined. It's not in its contaminated form, and mineral oil is very good for dry and very dry skin. So those people who are allergic to mineral oil, who want to stay away from this ingredient, they may skip this cream, but I have not experienced any problem with this cream. Otherwise my skin stays red and sometimes it's itchy also, and it's very drying sometimes, but I have not faced any issue while using this cream. But yes, I have noticed one thing, that sometimes why I have felt that I have got many whiteheads sometimes, not always. So if you are following a good cleansing regime, then you can get rid of that problem. This cream claims that it is non-sticky, it has no fragrance, it has no parabens, it is non-comedogenic, it is hypoallergenic. So about non-comedogenic, I'm not sure, because it is quite sticky and thick in consistency. So I'm not sure that this cream is going to help oily skin people or not. Maybe they can try a cream, or if they want to buy this balm, you can take the small tube of this balm that is also available, and it costs you around 600. Now I'm going to show you the consistency of this product. Oh, it's very sturdy. So I'm taking it in my hand, and I will be showing you that how this cream looks like. I think it's visible, so you can see that it's quite thick, and when I will apply it on my skin, it is quite greasy, but you will just get this greasy feeling when you will apply it. I mean, when you will freshly apply it, you will get this greasy feeling for like 5 to 10 minutes, but afterwards it gets completely absorbed into your skin. But still I'm not sure whether it's non-comedogenic or not. I bought this product because I wanted something with more ceramides and with more healing oils in that, and Avene is my all-time favorite. Like, I am using it in the daytime. I wanted something that I could use in the night time for repairing my skin, as I have a damaged skin barrier. So when I read on its label that it repairs barriers, so I was really impressed and I wanted to give it a try. And that was all about this product. Now I am going to tell you how I use this product and when you should use this product. Everything I will be telling you. So don't go away and keep on watching this video.
Now you can see my skin is bit stretchy and dry and little bit inflamed. I apply this cream generally at night as it is quite thick. So for my skin, I use it at night, and I only take a pea-sized amount and spread it across my face. It gets truly absorbed after 5 to 10 minutes. Then only I go to bed.
Thank you for watching my video, and in the last I would like to add that always choose the products according to your skin type, and always look for the ingredients that heals your skin, because it is really important for you to only choose the products that will suit your skin, and it's your hard-earned money, so choose your products wisely. I will be meeting you soon with my another informative video. Please do comment in the comment section whether you like this video or not. Until then, take care. Bye.